Abusia medin ene yaw odame kodia meda Ghana de hye nyina ase na ye de aseda PC no ama obaade se ne so ode yenkwa akyeye ne ene adwoada eno nti ye hia seje na wenim se ye ne Apostle Ibrahim Idrisu ana di ahia wono ano afa to ho so se ono abete ni botom sika na wode ato airtime na wakyekire nyamema se de yitimi hunu onyankopon emane yeye won mo mani abre so mo panyame asomo no odi mo hintasem nyina no ebre yen kwan todo a ebetumi afaso ede asomo baade no ntia na no paya san hia na otwetwa mu ne di nkomo afa eye abofo djuma ho the works of angels eno ehon nkomo anana yedie na se de ebre ehwanti no yentumi anwie ne ye to aso ede amamo kai se yen nkomo ebedi no odo adwenkyere no ebefa 0200 421 0200421723 0200421723 ho anade wadwenkyere na ebefa na yaje ne akenkan ede amawo abusia hye ne nso se be ma kwan na nso afre na wabadwumadie ne so na nsam wa wonte ase no eno nso watumi abusia message messages na amode beba no ni nyina mfa enkomo a ye ba bedi no ene anopai no ehon Apostle Akwaba
Ejo
apombo kodi ye do bad yase abuja meka wo say adwumadie so air live on Facebook and to search for RTVGH and so obetumi ahwe ne live e wo ho na otwetwa mu no na ye start isi di nkomo nya hwe abofo a nyame do mamai no omdwuma omo edie na wo chechi ne ma bebre mu emiehu se abofo no gu ahodo ye onyame bofo anya wo sum bofo na se nyame na no ene firi surumu ebe wadomo a saa de from say fallen angels no wan hwe anya de omo behu se ebi no wanya no because omo nye nyame abofo trodo a de konkwa gym wo cheche mi hu se bofo bi ba wanimu a ye wa hyenso de mi hu se we nyame bofo ana se nyame bofo wa bra ono be hye ose koto no na che se nyame bofo e ma wo de fifa ni mam bebre na ye busa se ekwan ben so ana nipa betumi afa activating the angel.
Okay. Michia ahwefo ne omomotie ni na de di kan no michia asin principality ka asin principality a beka obi a odi asin so oyesofo
okay
mafano me father ba akopɛ
okay
they did the Reverend Honorable Dr. Solomon Kwe
akwapo so
asin fosu ono ne evangelist a nyame fa no so breaking grounds
okay
I was saying
okay
because that time no utie na bakwasema wa femu pen
okay
na nyankopɔ de ne nsa ebeka no mo mudi nka de concert ene Miss Asensa Miss Ghana de ba asinfosu no ayo ono
okay
no say bi waton nsa ne drugs cigarette ne ayi pen nti no erade ne nsa kan na asen de na be he ensure o wa na ye old ensure no but o breaking grounds no ma eno na ma nne ye no nyame ade ne nsa kan no
okay
ayesa ankate bia bia na ewo mu no nka ye nya ya adwempo se nke be sachira ka nyakopompo wo hu ye
true ono ana nyame de ne nsa kan wa na
eye empire mo boma es oseman
okay
a nyakopon ho betena oseman no ena locate ye mu bi
okay
on se obi betimi abompa ye the whole Ghana obi betimi abompa ye na a breaking grounds ama omo anyakopon pese odo mu ye adwuma no wa locate omo si enya set people so na oboa
okay
nti ye fa say the time ni ho no bebre ni wukoi ba na anyakopon ni saka na time ba no ko ni ko to yin bompa say urade ye pa sofo e wo kromu anu ena ma anyakopon locate ye
okay
nti michia no me father Reverend Dr. Honorable Solomon Kwe oye honorable e wo municipal assembly
okay
michia no pa wo hwe ye urade nshira na prophet Emmanuel Mensa Bachona sprinters na Reverend Joseph Ngba owo kaso am ni be program
so for susu for man yonko
on my best friend
susu for so for man yonko
two ni die so that two ni die my best friends pa Mr. Dana asema wo kan die how are you be fire activity your angels
yes
and then me pese ye bibia no ye kire free sa book we mu
book ekutawe
and
dey booka
angelic books ni bi
okay
but this angelic books ni nyoma ewo mu no it talks about how good and evil so no etimi fa so ye den activate angels
okay
but in a good way no e ba ne say nyankopon afemu na how to activate angels in the good way no it doesn't need seals
Okay.
Ye ka seal a ubeti ase ye symbol. Say ebia asenso de say we bi no. Oh, ebia omo hwe you know mbehu we bi. Now him say seals should say we no. E Bible.
Okay.
E ye adwuma Bible. Okay. Exodus 28:11-21. Okay, Revelation chapter number 7, verse number 2. Numbers 31:50. Nimna kasafa siwe.
Okay.
But in those days, not omudi yejuma.
Okay.
But also, and then acquire Christ in tea. Ye adeshe enu no enyo bi wo ha ye hu ni say Yesu be wu ye no it doesn't need it again our life it will be na no wo kira de no bi bisa de say Yesu nti on the Bible na nipa no kwese ni say Yesu nti wo Bible a wu ye aduane emfa moko ene nkyene emfra ma Yesu nti activate sort ne pepe no
say nya ne sa na ye adwuma
o say enyoma bia no ade bia kasa wo na akwan so
sanity
activating of an angel so no o say this era no Yankopon deal with angels.
Yes,
that's why you want angelic ministration no it's you know Holy Spirit God himself Jesus Christ omunia be perform omodie now no adwumani ni abegina angels so
okay
and the angelic realms na ye wom sisi ano say uye obi a wonim how to activate your personal angels you find it difficult to operate in the ministry.
Okay.
And activating of angels no in good way no you need a certain things.
Okay.
Now, a certain things that you need, you know, it's about a prayer.
Okay.
It's about fasting.
Okay.
And at times, it's about your personal closet.
Okay.
So, I say, when you have a personal closet, with them, where you go on your knees with your altar, you have to build altar. Yes, I want to build the altar. We call Osha so from penny for now, will be our altar. That one need them. And need personal closet, that's the secret place. Our bonfire. Now, ultimately activating your presence. It's in this case, you know. That altar no so no over building no there's a certain things you need to build that altar.
Okay.
Maybe you see table
and san e beba building of altars no so no mama musa say activation of angels no ye asofo nko a anomo access some activity angels and as a church members and as any ordinary person bia no a person oni nyame na nche no no so betumi activate the angel
enye asofo nko a. Okay. Yakopon design angels ne ma eye ne ma. Okay. Ni manti abofo no boy ho ban. Okay. Okay, Hebrews chapter number 1 obehu wo ho. Okay. Nyankopon ama abofo no ebo ye ho ban. Enu nti no eye Nyankopon emma ina wo access to activate that angels. Okay. Nyankopon ma no asi no mo masachra ana say me ye nipa nko ade mitimi me qualified to be a son of God and therefore I can activate the angel. Nyankopon ma ne omo magi Kristo Yesu edi. Okay. They have received receive Christ omo personal Lord and Savior. Omo na ye Nyankopon emma. Okay. Into omo na wo access aside of any no say obi outside Kristo ebusu animu a okoyepe obetimi attract ye foreign angels. Because the copy na eye Nyankopon ade na omo so ade a copy. So difference in him to why you careful ube misleading. Okay. In terms of say a banisa na or more access no to do the right way no or more magic Christo edi. Okay. Now yamra the burden of the altar. But activation you build your altar. Ebi use table. Okay. Ebi use a lot of things in your bebre no dey. Yentimi enchirem bebre wa ha. To building of altar no then you go there. Ebimu ayisu say candle any incense at the bonfire the moment on make come altar anymore. Okay. Candle no am say last week me the demonic candles ni bi be chere. Enya no bi no mbe use. Okay. We have a normal simple candle out light to kwa ultimate there no power ni power ni ebimu use no the other at the bonfire. In this case altar no more build to activate the personal angels no ebi de no. In the number 2 and in other side no ebi so the secret names of God that obey invoke and that's obey bodin the yewo a time and as a normal dodo abetimi abɔ Nyankopɔn din no etimi di abɔfo a wo pɛ ne din na Nyankopɔn ayɛ den release that angel no e di adomo. That's the side of number 2. Right. Yamra Nyankopɔn din so ansa na yakɔ number 2 no sa secret names of God no yes Yahweh Elohim Yahweh Jireh sa din na yinim no anasa or other secret names are and they known to any person. That's the 72 names of God. Okay. And only Jehovah, Adonia, Elohim, Zabot, El Elyon, Elohi, Eloha, Tetragrammaton, Sabot. That's the secret name. Raphael, Yod He, Vav He, and only that secret names of God. Okay. you know, say unim we are used to it. Now unim these secret names of God now. The moment Abesa says would they friend Yankopon, it release a spiritual vibration to your spirit. It me energize a boost too. And a beer rams in the mouth.
Okay.
And to the moment Abesa say we so no. Emu aye free no, umu aye hano. Then you call the angel that you say angel where you good angel. Friend up that moment no obe activate.
Wonderful.
Or activate you will begin to experience a signs, which is a light, fresh light. Ube experience that fresh light no. Then you will know say it has been activated. And the activating no, dream no, you see that angel no.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now yamra part 2 na nka be kan so because okay say we near 1.
Yeah.
Then the 2 na any dey here.
The 2 no na medicine say no invocation of names no.
Okay.
It's in the 1 am the year design about the altar no.
Okay.
It's in the 2 am the bar way.
It's here na say me dying a single room.
Okay.
No kwa na mtibi kura dan ma buru ndama wo mu a wiwi ni dwotfo no ya de nyina wo mu. Anopa matie wasem na to makoma so. Messi den ma body altar no e was adan kuro ya me di fi aka no ni. Questions be no say me.
There was spiritual purification.
Okay.
Emma a dying. A die with them. Me say me personal room am wo mu no. Every 3 days be am here purification.
Okay.
It's purification am here no e bi wo ho a Yakopon de ahoden e di wura herbs mu.
Okay.
Who say herbs mu so na enya olive oil e di free. Obi be use anointing oil. And you know ways be bre wa ye dey spiritual purification with them.
Okay.
To every 3 days be am me purification with them. To obi wo ha o pese ye altar na so ye angelic prayers no one personal room. There is a need say why me fear can die no and I demo no why nyoma bi wo ha ensem fata no wo be di nkan dem esisi den no purify ho na normal.
I don't know how do we do it.
Purification. Yeah, well, no be why the purification. What say me the oil be by last 3 weeks.
Yes.
Hype soap oil.
Yes.
So hype soap oil no kind Psalm 51 verse number 7 na. Yakopon or the adjura. Ina de ye ni twi di ni adjura. Adjura mpo isi fi bebre. Enti no sa hype soap oil no. O kwoti adjura na utimi fa nye oil no. So you order from Israel. Okay. Not omo dia bro. Na wo dia ye purification no wo them like wo de be France you. Na wo de ahohoro dan ni mu ni na after so wa ahoro ma wie no. Oh, say Roman Catholic for ese. Normal ade you can get ese obeti wo enya ese kra beti menya ade bi efe no pepper.
Yes.
Yeah, pepper ye adwuma. Obeti me abene no dem for the smoke no to purify the room.
Okay.
For the 3 days no be ya come chia bompa or dem was say Erade emma Yesu moja no enti wo. Obi also onya you can buy a communion wine.
Okay.
You provide it. Say John chapter number 6 verse number 46 50 coming to 60 no obetimi dia bompa ye go so now their friends you now their ohoro edem then you pray say erade nti dan no and also etimi ye adwuma.
Okay. Right. I wish I'm because I can say any Apostle Ibrahim Idrisu and a bon common. You didn't come on afar a year above for in Jumahon. And no, ye share ne fine. You be say obesiden na wo hunu bofo na ne no anantia na ne din komo and I be say that bofo about how to activate your angel a home common ye din for wadwen kire and our assembly san fa 0200 421 723 0200 421 723 what the fa hoba ye beken kan na ye di amount. So Apostle now my purify me dem ho awie my ya come 3 days asre nyame ahoden ne ho sra. I've seen so many signs that says am pasisia no the spirit of God is closer to me abofo no why di na membo na why na memfre no
there were a lot of angels about no angels no mo doso.
Okay.
They are about millions and no muni na Bible no timi di obi adin ye den bye.
Yes.
It is your names of the angels ni nia wodin. So in this case for you to know the good angels it takes a grace of God.
Okay.
And as it takes a grace of the Holy Spirit. So on konko betchero me on my 7 days dry fasting, no food, no water for good 7 days, you know. And on konko ede me call me about the angelic ministration. So for that way, I may be who a lot of angels on the good and the evil. But also now the young normal ma yen say Angel Gabriel, any Angel Michael, Angel Raphael, and even Uriel, any other angels on the crampono, Roman Catholic, books ni bi na ma ye hu say ye wo angel Uriel
okay
e wo ho but normally no hwe Bible na Uriel enim
okay
but Bible no so Raphael enim
okay
Michael and Gabriel
yes
in a Bible no listed their names but Uriel and Raphael no ebe mu no e ma ye hu ni say okay any meaning say all the angels na aka ni na no they have their names
okay
so before asana obetimi afre angel bi a wo pe no I just say wutimi consult obi a what angelic work na say
okay
na otimi hwe ebu ho a most no so no ko mo ye occult for na say secret society na mo invoke planetical angels na otimi the date of birth e de kire wo angel a woni nnam
okay
but one ye careful as abofo no omo ba won che they will take you as omo do be call esumu
okay
because that
day one kasa date of birth abofo
no
okay
it is typically 100% wrong
okay
God Yakopo and share date of birth abofo anto obi so wa obetimi atrew say weeks of the days true weeks of the days your angels bia ne da om de adwuma any weeks om de adwuma months om de adwuma but at the same time your another 4 angels wo ma almost the same adwuma it one you careful be catch say Michael which is not the rare Michael but the wrong Michael one we akofa na the problem are there
like say abofo no han mu bia ne osumu
de edini nyako
okay
I say Jesus di no na o hwe ne rare name na Yeshua so na ho before ansana ye de beto Jesus
okay
na ye be wu Yesu no Yakobon bofo ne ka che Mary say omuntu ni di Emmanuel the word Emmanuel no wo hodada ansana ye de beto no enti na di na nya one
sa asem no aboso no me ho big question pa bisa because according to Isaiah no o ka say ye be free Emmanuel how di ni meaning e kan ho say nyame ne o ba oba Matthew chapter 1:18 down so na o say your friend Jesus Christ as a Chinese Messiah so on the beje ne man kwa na we amadodi for Isaiah kan na bam me wa Isaiah ka say friend Emmanuel I have say be friend Jesus enti dia na chese na man bam me want me point na say
Matthias mighty you know from the book of New Testament
yes
ni na a prophecy confirmation
yes
from the Old Testament a prophecy confirmation it you know per what might you know etias here no from the Old Testament prophecy no likely ebetimi aye likely misunderstanding
you better brand dey no ho komo any a topic on it own but any share abofo no enjuma enti bibusa se hia kra ba ni hia se wo se nipa otumi abofo wa brabom
hia pa because Peter no abofo
okay
Acts chapter number 12 ebra ye di Peter 2 fi ase na Yakobon abofo ni ko yiye no ono no pe ono no nim se all dream but opi abonte no say enye dreaming
okay
okodu efie na okomu no na abayiwa ne hu no okobo esuafo na mane no where the esuafo ne kan say enye Peter na mum eye ne bofo
okay
so mean say obi abofo te say ono a aditu na obi wa nji obi nim timi ka say ube hu me e wo daye mu no me de me bofo su no e de bebre ebeba won che wo me daye angel na wo yi su no what say why or you look like you enti wo Mr. Odami betimi atena ase obo se obi betimi aka say Mr. Odami me hu wo Kumase but meanwhile na wo ni Kumase na wa ha it is about your angel no ina wa pie wo akoye bibi wo but obi be hu ni say ye wo eso na nya wonti angel na aka no omo ti say wo personal no nti obi a wo angel obi a wo ne angel
okay
say nim angel a ene na wiase na wo nemu no wayira
okay yeah. Back to me question biom Messi dan hu me angel
and na me say before say na be hu no or like say wetimi a consult ya na say wetimi a ben obi a what say angelic work na say na wetimi a kire personal angel and na say wetimi a kire the ways and a way a obetimi aye den activity angel
yes.
Because angel na Yakobon de be ma wono ye wu obi basase we so amaka ne pen I think say last year program no make wo
yes
say obi basase we so a ye was spiritual barrier e osunsun Yakobon di nka soma wo bofo no
yes
say e bia Ghana na ye do wo ba na nyame asoma wo bofo na ba Ghana say de be ya wo ne bofo no betimi anante na wa brabo na e fight no e na ye de ne brew by spiritual barrier ne do one a foreign angels no more no omu direct wu nipa na ye wo no say e bia kotogo it both one mix it wo angel no mystery and na nipa bebre no
because me ma me papa te Ghana amote nkran amote achemota ahaya na di mpaso gro ana ma me fa afuru good nti ha na so wo me so how come the whole scene said the Bay say yeah divert me from Ghana to Togo. The Togo the Ghana do. Me call Australia.
Australia no.
Asena no no. E be say no ma divert me ma to Australia na say Switzerland is come.
Omo do be ma another mother.
Obram ma me papa adi mpaso kro.
Enu no physical dey o. We are talking about spiritual.
Just what the mingram ye.
Good. Because also spiritually Bible okay Psalm 127 verse number 1 come about verse number 2 3 was say a child is a gift. A child is a gift from God. Iti achade Yakupon ne edeba.
Yes.
Bana odeba no eye to be na edeba, which is angel. Also in spiritual in the realms no protocols go na Yakupon break.
Yes.
O share the treasures building a angel that favor a angel a gate. That's a keys. Anytime Yakupon catch Peter say I will give you the keys of heaven and earth.
Yes.
Whatsoever you bind shall be bind.
Yes.
It's a keys. Now say wo ba angel no do ba no onye de a akwa say prince of Persia onye de a another foreign angel no ho de no obeji akwara na fisa angel ni nsi
na nyame atra ho no ahwe
so be na
ho de na ma edu bia ye nti nyame ase no bi wo no tumi no buru tumi nyina
good or yes
tumi nti na de ono ka no otimi ye nhwa sama ahombone kutia onu nyame na hindie ne mba no omutimi sesa no
na Daniel then to Daniel prince of Persia
yes
were arresting Gabriel so the reason why Yakupon say ebalo in this earth God has no authority in this earth.
Wow.
Because or your spirit in a earth when operating in physical so before Yakupon betimi aye bibi no he need a vessel.
Okay,
that's why nyame here ye nipa ne ye na asofo no wo here. And in this case, before God can work on this earth into the realms in the mono, I just say unya vessel room and said it me a juma.
Oh, okay.
Oh, it ever say me wife. It me I have sex na eba na eba no wa fafulo no or say me activate prayer based on the vessel no kuta me man no kwan na me fa me mu na metimi eye directions and na me active prayers etimi emma akwala no say na be ya akora no betena asase wesu a ni destiny ni bibia ntimi nchenyi wo realms ni mu ba betimi abo ho ban.
Okay,
o say ya me first na me hye na me enyuma bone ye Yakupon afa nto me so mfiri so ba afa ma o.
Okay,
say wo kwa asase wesu kwhye wi na akonum jot Debbie, ye changing ewo ye funu ni mu.
Okay.
Ansa na wo de ba nti wo ni nyam na na star na ewo so no spiritual no omodi nka changing dada nti wo ba no wo de body na eba ena obi so otumi pa otumi gisa enimonyam no e de mane ba.
Okay.
Ebra wo de ye funu no de bone de aye de amount. That's the spiritual barriers.
Oh, okay. And the home mu dem ekoso dem be wa ma ko head ekoso
Me do be ko wan di
da be ya
eje kura
me peka ska be se
we dey scale bo
ran ko ta print ki
you pursue ala wo ko
ya ba to so na ye hwe messages mi nu bi aba na ye ni ho adwuma was say good morning ask apostle for me, can angel appear in human form like mind person by Pastor Abraham? Was say abofo obetumi aba to say enipa issue.
Yeah, about 40 me by in the in Genesis chapter number 8 and na me papa reverend so me kwe de kira de. Ebra Abraham who angels no. They appear physical. He saw them in the form of a human being.
Okay.
Where who are to say angels by penny spiritual eyes no. Or no who said no. We more mobile say nipa no munye nipa. They are angels, so he ran to bow to them.
Okay.
So what I say in that okay Job woman Ebra no sorry. Ebra Lot na say so dem angel na oba no mo buy in the form of nipa or man in the form of angel. So they can appear mutimi pie to say nipa pepe.
Okay, Apostle, thank you so much for your teachings this morning. In fact, you are blessed and I wish I can be like you. But my question this morning is, how will I be able to know the true man of God who can help me to activate my angel? Also that's one church na no pa we de my wa yenhira na o bon person ko betumi ayesewo na opese wo hunu se ebede no hunyame sofo kan a ono betumi aboa na mana activity ni angel.
Ebade adom nyame asofo kan bebre ho.
Okay.
Oh bebre ho na wanye careful a untimi nya den ehu omo. Nti no yambo mudi ni de untimi hu se we good or way bad. So in this case, follow teachings, you know.
Okay.
all follow teaching. And I say, menye so good. Jesus is good than everybody. Me the servant of Christ. So or contact me by God's grace. You rate me after
right. So o contact na nyame adom nyame na me so betumi e de ncheche na ma na so atumi activate o angel. Fa o message no fa 0200421723 0200421723 enche e beba mo nche so ahoma no so na e ba beje mo nse misa ne mo adwenche fa nkoma a yedi ne na no pa ye ho. Right, apostle yentoa yenkoma no so.
Okay.
Nti ene no se mitu anamo na me ba apostle nchen se me pese oboa me na me activate me angela e bra me ma ba beduru wanim no e de na wo se me ye asinipa.
Okay, I was na ye seminar na last 3 weeks or last month na ye bo e bi mu videos no.
Yes.
There's a lot of testimonies. Na nyame adom enne no. Omu ni na de ye adwuma.
Okay.
We no omo amre omo ho am ye bibi. I was a gift no nyame de makwa. It abeto so at least you need to help those who are in. It ya so for be almost 11 rade farm so bo mu ni na no. Obia de oba menima, you don't need anything to do anything. What you need to do is say fadwen pabra.
Okay.
They will say onam nyame akwan so. Oba just a seed na obe so. Seed na obe so no so no mani free wakoma mu. Say you sow a seed there no so be count. Na nyame afa ye so aden. Etimi a kire na wenya we angel bu ha just a prayer what be say asofo na empire keke na mo bo mountains omo bo sa prayer ni wie na eno activity
right yenhwe ebet mamba say metum ho asi wo say meni nyame benante ana mebo mabrabo konkron ye kwan so me try ya bia se metwem ho afiri wiase e feeling ke kan ne body nyina ho na me nya ma adwene se me hwehwe me bofo na se be activate an angel into my life but automatically no angel baba mabrabo anya possible adentia all say possible sa nka a Christopher do omo lante in righteousness nka every blessed day they will begin to see angels and even God himself, Holy Spirit, Jesus will pay them visit. But it's not possible because also God nyakopo on breaking the protocols. Okay.
Was say onyame onyakopo asem osuma na asem emani beye di o say ye ansana and return. Nti de nyakopo akato no ompa ho se nyame bu na asem gusu obeye otrofo na nyankopon so mpese obeye otrofo nti ombu na asem enguso enti adwuma na washato no waseni nia na adwuma no ne kwae so enti in this case obetimi live in righteous life na woda so da ekwasa wodidi obola so
adodana so da the ball aso enye
oh that's why I kwatra
so bia na nyame na person can be bicho so one you said that so nya kwan ba akwa nyame fa so ne kasa
no de enye ball aso they say ka Moses bu ne nya ball aso
right yemra book here da hoyi mu and say yen come asha say no boss say ne book we ye be kasa dia fa ho e dia de potin e na wo book we mu a ene yen komodie how to activate angels no essay
book we mu no de wo mu kese no on say ye wo the keys.
Okay.
My listen what nechinimpo. Your angelic king. Your the gates. Your the language. Especially with the busy with the language in so. Always say language akwaye osoro kasa. Okay. 1 Corinthians chapter number 13 verse number 1 say meka nipa kasa na meka abofo kasa. So angels has a language.
Okay.
Omo kasa. And na per now no ye kind of tongues.
Okay.
That's speaking in tongues. In speaking in tongues, last year no me say it be the Greek, it be the Hebrew, it be the Latin, it be the Aramaic in the can say word.
Okay.
In this case, angels language so no. Ohe ye nuanom no mo secret society no and no mo be a soft one. Omo use the same angel language
okay.
Which is a copyright from God. Ina omo kanti before asa na obeye adwuma ana okra mic na opese obe oye adwuma ma obi ana so obi nkom ana ohu bibi no obe recite sa words no which is it seems like a tongues na etimi atwe angels
we do say obo sa tongues no but na incantation and na say enchantment bi na oye o invoke spirit okay na yenhwe say the omiya say eye kasa ya abofo kasa no ene said the ne Christopher maba mo bo tongues ya na say mo kam kasa hodo say mo kasa for free ne kwan so no because twem so di bi ma ka gudu hey tongues no he no maka ntwe gigiri konyo atuwe konyo sa
eno de okwa atwa amantesa na o
atwa so bi ho
atude apon overseer betialo otimi kwa stop we overseer kwa timi ya announcement ka say sa pray ya de basa
konyo atuwe konyo what from that language Greek Latin and say Hebrew and say
ebile hello buku no what that wo betimi aka ide
e wo hefa
ele ba back
zama uza rakama uza
oh the right here
zaman
it's what is that
okay the zaman means appear
that's what
the keys
yes
it's one the most important words in the conjurations.
Oh,
okay.
It is our suffer. Na onim set book we and our book we na osu na oyisu
zama uza.
We know how this all happens. So good. It's not the fre. It's no be oye haduwe atua. Na tell say bia obotos na our recitation words bia.
Yes.
Or recite here or the invoke.
Na omo na omaje sa atuwe konyo na fa na omo kan bebrebe no. Omo ti ase.
But more ebisu ya copyright
nti nipa obi kana watie na waka no wate asese waka bi